If your Photopea Move Tool is not working, don't worry. This is usually caused by one of a few simple settings, and in this video I'm going to walk you through each fix step by step so you can get back to editing fast. This is a super common issue, especially if you're trying to drag a layer and nothing seems to happen, or the wrong thing keeps moving instead. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly why the Move Tool is acting up and how to fix it in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, with the Move Tool selected, look at the top options bar and check Auto Select. This setting controls what Photopea moves when you click on the canvas. If Auto Select is turned on, Photopea will try to select the layer directly under your cursor. That sounds helpful, but if you click on transparent space or the wrong part of the image, it may seem like nothing is moving. If Auto Select is turned off, Photopea will only move the layer that is currently highlighted in the Layers panel, so you need to make sure the correct layer is selected first. This one setting alone solves the problem for a lot of people. Next, check for any active selections on your canvas. If you see those marching ants around an area, Photopea is limiting movement to that selected region. That means the Move Tool may only drag part of the image, or it may just move the selection border instead of the full layer. To fix that, press Command+D on Mac or Control+D on Windows to deselect everything. Once the selection is cleared, try using the Move Tool again. In many cases, that instantly brings the tool back to normal. Now take a look at your layer itself. If the layer is locked, Photopea won't let you move it. In the Layers panel on the right, look for a padlock icon next to the layer or on the background layer. If you see that lock, click it to unlock the layer. Once it's unlocked, the layer should move normally again. This is another very common reason the Move Tool appears broken, when really the layer is just protected. While you're in the Layers panel, also make sure the layer is actually visible. If the eye icon is turned off, the layer is hidden, and you won't be able to interact with it the way you expect. Also, pay attention to what type of layer you're working with. If you're trying to move an adjustment layer or a mask, make sure you click the correct thumbnail. In Photopea, the main image thumbnail is what you usually want if you're trying to move actual pixels. Clicking the wrong part of the layer can make it seem like the Move Tool isn't responding. Another helpful fix is turning on transform controls. You'll find this in the top options bar while the Move Tool is active. When you enable transform controls, Photopea shows a bounding box and handles around the selected layer, which makes it much easier to see what is selected and drag it around accurately. This is especially useful if you're working with multiple layers or if the object is hard to grab on the canvas. So if your Photopea Move Tool is not working, remember the checklist. Check Auto Select, clear active selections, unlock the layer, confirm the layer is visible and selected properly, and turn on transform controls if you want easier dragging. Most of the time, one of these 5 fixes will solve the issue right away. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next Photopea tutorial for more simple fixes and editing tips.